welcome back to another video. So Malik should be home soon, so y'all see him in a minute, but I just was gonna throw some food together because I looked at my refrigerator. I was like, dang, we ain't got nothing to eat up in here. But I did place an online order for pickup tomorrow. I got some groceries, spent like almost $400 on groceries. I got a new can opener because ours broke, and it's one of those whatever. So I was looking at my refrigerator. I'm like, what we gonna cook? So I found some chicken breast, some cream of chicken soup, some cheddar cheese, a head of broccoli, a bag of potatoes. And I was like, a bunch of things that I like. This is really like literally all we got in our refrigerator. So I'm like, well, I'm about to see what I can make out of this, and y'all about to come along with me to do it. So it has been a super long day. My kids, I don't know if Kamora's asleep because she was tripping, but she ain't crying. She just kept getting up and like standing up in the bed. So I was like, whatever. I just left her in the room by herself. But the boys did so good. You guys watched my video yesterday, and you guys heard them like crying in the background. They literally cried for probably about an hour, almost an hour and a half. But today, like literally, like it was like no more than 20 minutes that they were crying. Both of them knocked out. So I would say today was a successful night. So we're just gonna like keep this going. I'm not gonna give up. I'm just gonna be very, very intentional about just like no matter what, putting them in their own bed. Okay, so cook with me until Malik gets home, and then we'll talk to him. I miss him. He might work overtime today, which I hope he doesn't, which I love that my man be trying to get this money, but I miss you. I haven't seen you all day. Just come home. But okay, let's get started. These are all my ingredients. It's busting. Turn my daughter in there talking, so she's clearly not asleep. But she don't got school or nothing, so if she wanna stay up in there and talk to herself in the dark, whatever, I don't care. But anyways, okay, so I'm gonna start off by cleaning my chicken. I heard some people don't clean their chicken. Y'all clean, I hope y'all clean your chicken. Well, I really don't care if y'all clean your chicken. I'm just not gonna come eat at your house. But I'm gonna clean my chicken. So that's what I'm gonna do first. And then I'm gonna season it, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I finished cleaning my chicken. This is what I'm using to season it. Some Mrs. Dash, some onion powder, black pepper. I know y'all like anti-seasoning salt all of a sudden, but we grew up on seasoning salt. Grandma was throwing down in the kitchen with seasoning salt. I don't use too much, obviously, but I still fuck with seasoning salt. I don't really care if y'all don't. But anyways, I'm using some Tony's Creole seasoning, and then this roasted garlic and herb seasoning. This is what I'm gonna season my chicken with. And I'm not gonna show y'all too much of this process. I'm gonna show y'all like a little step by step, but I'm keeping a stack with y'all. I did not clean my kitchen. I got hella dishes in the sink. I pushed like everything off the table like onto the side so y'all just couldn't see it. But I'm so tired, guys, and I ain't gonna lie, like I literally cook like 2 dinners like every single day, because most times my kids don't always eat what me and Malik eat, so I literally cook dinner for them and then still cook again afterwards for me and Malik, and it's just too much. And I decided these last 2 days that I wasn't finna clean up nothing, and I feel perfectly okay about that. So yeah, I didn't clean up, so I'm not gonna show y'all fully everything, but I'll like show y'all little clips of what I did after I done it. Okay, now my chicken's all seasoned, and I'm just gonna wrap it up and put it in the refrigerator because I'm gonna cut the onions up and roast them, which I should have did that first because not the onions. I'm gonna cut the potatoes up and roast them in the oven, but I didn't even think that's gonna take way longer because I'm just gonna like put the chicken in a skillet. So I'm just gonna wrap it up and put it in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna start cutting the potatoes up. I think I kind of have an idea like how I want to make this. I think I'm just like gonna cut up the potatoes, and then I'm gonna cook this chicken on the oven or on the stove. Then I'm gonna cut it up, and I'm gonna put that in there with the broccoli, and then I'm gonna pour a can of cream of soup on that, and then put cheese on top. It's like a creamy chicken and broccoli casserole. I don't know. We just gonna see how this turn out. Cut up these potatoes because I don't even know what this is gonna taste like, so I'm not trying to make a whole bunch and then don't even like it. So I'm just gonna cut up these potatoes right here, and then I'm pretty much gonna season them with the same things I use for the chicken, except for I'm gonna use a couple more things that I'll maybe or maybe not show you guys. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna cut up these potatoes real quick. I'm gonna rinse them, wash them off, and I'm gonna like peel them a little bit. But I do actually like the skin on the potato. I get rid of all these like little, I don't know what these are called, but I don't know what these are called, but I get rid of all these like little, I don't know what these are called, but I don't know what these are called, but I don't know what these are called, but I get rid of all these like little, I don't know what these are called, but I don't know what these are called, but I don't know what these are called, but I get rid of all these like little, I don't know what these are called, but the little ugly parts of the potato. I get rid of that, but otherwise I like the skin of the potato. Like if I eat a baked potato, I just eat like the whole entire potato, like skin and all. So yeah, I'm gonna cut up a little bit of the potatoes, like the skin off of it, and then after that I'm just gonna dice them up all cute. So these are the only extra seasonings I put on the potatoes that I didn't use for the chicken.
Hey y'all.
And by the way guys, I seasoned the potatoes, put some butter. It needs a little bit more butter probably, but put some butter, and now these about to go on the oven.
She ain't cooking no shrimp. What type of chicken you making? Chicken breast?
It's a casserole.
I'm so confused what the casserole is.
Okay,
now.
so let me explain. I explained to them what I was gonna do. So we got chicken breast that I already seasoned. It's just waiting in the refrigerator, and then we got some broccoli, and then we got some potatoes, and then I'm gonna use like 2 of these cans of cream of chicken. I'm gonna put cheese on top. You gonna eat it and you gonna like it.
What a shrimp? Because the way that potatoes smell, like it smells like a seafood boil.
We're not having a seafood boil. I tried to ask you, can we do one today? And you're like, nah. So
What if motherfucking shrimp?
we're getting making a casserole.
We can still make shrimp.
Oh,
That creamy chicken shit is like that cream chicken. That's so like
that's what we're eating. Okay?
that's so unhealthy, bro.
It's not unhealthy. How? It's just cream of chicken soup. Is this ungrateful? Is this ungrateful?
Kind of what you wrote.
You being ungrateful?
Yeah, it's like yo, like
It
who
might
wants,
be-
who wants some fucking creamy chicken after a long day of work? Like, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Okay, first off, you said you want to start eating healthier meals, so I'm just trying to try something different.
Different, like creamy chicken though.
Malik.
Like for real,
Okay,
creamy chicken. Who wanna eat some
Can
fucking cream chicken?
Can you
like,
just try it and then we can just try it?
Alright, I might have to try it because I ain't got nothing else to eat.
There's some noodles in there. I'm gonna make some noodles. Make some noodles.
It
But how was work?
was alright. They had me running around like a fucking slave.
Oh, was somebody whipping you?
They had to run around like a slave. They was trying to get me, but I was running. Like, well,
Your skin looking really good.
thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all see the beard all shiny and shit.
Mm-hmm. He got to do a beard tutorial. He said he was going to, but still hasn't.
Cause I wanted to do it like from the I wanted to do it like from like
Just do how
trim
like
it and then like redo it, but
well,
then
that's like a whole bunch of videos. I'm saying do like how I take
But-
care of my beard. Like what do you do? Like you know
right,
like
cause I
what
can
you
name it
use.
like how do I take care? Okay, how to take care of your beard. So first,
Or how to like grow your beard or something. I don't know.
I don't know how to grow it. It just happened to me.
Yeah, it's like honestly, niggas like really like it's like genetic. Like not everybody can just get a beard. Like my daddy like 50 and like his beard's still patchy. Like it's just like one of those things. Like either you got either you got it, or you don't. And my baby got it. Yeah.
Yeah, like this is I got enough beer for 3 niggas. So I ain't gonna lie.
Pig purr.
Probably like 5, honestly.
Honestly.
Oh yeah, it's not even about the beer. So what this shit about? Oh, casserole with cream chickens and shit. Yeah.
It might be good. Don't be ungrateful.
I know we got shrimp in here, bro.
Bro, I didn't. Oh yeah, I'm okay. So I'll be back with you guys when I'm doing something different.
Bro. We got 2. We got jumbo raw shrimp. We got black tiger shrimp.
Yeah, but I saved this for our boils.
When the last time y'all seen us eat a motherfucking seafood?
We just did a boil.
When?
Like what was it like 3 weeks? It was like
probably
3 weeks ago.
Month ago, y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on.
I just bought this.
I know
bag.
y'all miss us eating that. See my twin. Hey. Say hey. Say what's up, YouTube.
She's supposed to be in bed.
What's up, YouTube? You don't want to speak? No? She just like looking at herself. She just like her daddy. Look. Who she look? Okay. Come up and look closer.
She look more like you.
She got my, no, she got my, I feel like she got my shape. But if you look at me, I'm trying. She got like this you. She got your cheeks, for sure.
She's so cute. Okay, look, she's so cute, but go put her back in the bed. All right, we'll be back to y'all a little later. Okay, the potatoes pretty much done roasting, so now I'm about to make up this chicken. Okay, I got the chicken in the skillet, starting to cook because the potatoes already looking real, starting to get soft. And after that, I'm gonna shred this up and put it inside the potatoes.
This nigga right
Just gonna flip the chicken. Can I say you can eat some chicken?
You ain't try cooking?
Yeah, we don't eat no more.
That shit good.
Is it?
Taste one. That shit juicy as fuck.
No,
Just taste it.
I don't do that.
What?
I really don't want that. I really do. God.
Honestly, I can eat this shit just like that. You don't need no cream in soup.
Take the potatoes out there for me real quick. Okay. So right here, I just cut up the chicken like this. And we did wash some dishes too, cause you know. I made this nigga wash some dishes. He be listening to everything I say. Let me take him out. Woo. Alright, mix it all together. Yeah. Put it in the pan.
What you talking to?
Okay. So let's show them how to. Okay, so how you put it with this. Bon appetit, baby. Alright, this is how it looks so far with just the chicken and the potatoes. I feel like it look good. You want some papers?
Oh, that's a 5 hell.
Is it?
Oh, yeah. You don't need no cream chicken.
I'm only going to
Give me some cheese.
use one can.
All we need is cheese.
And
Man, I'm pretty sure you fucking it up.
No, I'm not.
No.
I'm just gonna use one can.
Just cheese.
No. No, just a
Bro,
little
she
bit.
is destroying a good
I
ass
promise,
meal,
I promise
bro.
just a little bit.
And this is what happened. Women never want to listen to men, bro. I
I
swear.
promise just a little bit.
That's y'all problem now. That is all y'all women problem. Y'all don't never want to listen.
I'm pretty sure when you start cooking, then you can have more of an opinion, okay?
You right. You right. You damn right. But when I'm gonna start cooking, so I'm gonna keep talking.
Okay. So,
Yeah, y'all wouldn't. I got titties, y'all. But anyway,
Shut
y'all wouldn't believe. Y'all wouldn't believe. I used to cook in 8th grade. I used to be in the crib cooking, and then I had somebody to cook for me. So then I was like, you know what? I don't need this talent.
You so ignorant. My mama gonna call me and be like, Malik doesn't need that talent. Tell him,
Yo, bro.
tell him he has children he can cook for.
Oh, bro.
She be on it.
She be snapping, bro.
Then one time you called me lady, she's like, who is he talking to? Is he calling my daughter lady, the one that cooks and cleans every day? I'm like, Pia, man. Who is he talking to?
Stand up for that woman back there.
Hurry.
And I'm gonna keep talking my stuff. I feel like the more stuff we talk, the more y'all want to prove it. So it's just like, yeah, let me talk my stuff. So she can keep cooking and cleaning.
Anyways, okay, so then I cut up some broccoli.
Okay, one thing ain't too bad, but she tried to put 2.
Yeah, that's why I said it depends on how much it is. Whether we need like 1 or 2 of these. Here.
I got y'all.
Yeah, like, I don't know about the broccoli. Like, how am I supposed to put this in here?
And we just mix it up.
Should I put more or no?
That's all you got cut?
I can cut a little bit more.
No, you can do a little bit more, yeah, because let me mix it up.
Then I'm just gonna use this shredded. We almost needed the bigger pan.
Oh no.
You gotta make it all even. Bro, you're spilling all over the floor.
Wait, Maya, come.
Because we not gonna take all day. Nigga, are you hungry or what? Alright, ready for the oven, y'all.
She look good as hell.
Alright guys, this is what it looks like. We're about to try it for y'all real quick and let y'all know what it tastes like though. Ready? Okay, how about you make our bowls then?
I just slaved over the kitchen making us.
And yes, we use paper bowls and paper plates because who's gonna wash all these dishes? That should look good.
It's yours.
It's mine? Thank you.
One more?
No. So actually, it smells good.
So she wanted me to wait. I never listened. I already had a taste of the broccoli. The shit is good.
Period.
I ain't gonna lie. I did all that shit talking about cream chicken and shit. This shit is banging.
Okay, let's try a bite together. Show your bowl.
I want more.
This actually look fire. Show your bowl. Alright, let's try a bite. Gotta get a piece of everything all in one. My mouth watering. Okay. Ready?
It's hot. Alright. So far hill.
Hell yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Ooh. Okay. This shit hit.
Now that's the key to a man.
On that note, guys.
You cook like this, man. Get your back blown out. Oh no.
On that note, guys. This is why we have so many kids. Okay, anyway, say goodbye. Alright guys, thank you for watching.
Thank y'all, watching, We appreciate y'all. Appreciate it. We gonna try to post more, but it'd be hard. Get us ideas to post, cause sometimes we just don't know what to post, so we just don't post. So if y'all give us ideas, we'll do some stuff. And I guess whenever she cooks, she can record. So y'all mostly see a lot of Maya. I be at work at night, so y'all gonna see a lot of her, unless I quit.
Alright guys, we love you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in our next video.
Okay, bye.